Top 15 highest selling sports cards recently sold on eBay from 1983. Starting off the list at number 15 is a 1983 O-Pee-Chee Scott Stevens rookie card number 376, rated PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 102, with 859 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 27th for $385. Scott Stevens is a Hall of Fame player playing an impressive 22 years in the NHL on 3 different teams. He's a 3-time Cup winner, 5-time All-Star, and a 1999 Smythe Award winner. Coming in at number 14 is a 1983 Topps Traded Darryl Strawberry rookie card number 108T, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 641, with 3,862 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on July 13th for $404. Darryl Strawberry was an 8-time All-Star, 3-time World Series champion, 2-time Silver Slugger, and got the Rookie of the Year award in 1983. Coming in at number 13 is a 1983 Star Isiah Thomas rookie card number 94, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of only 99, with 318 being submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 19th for $587. Isiah Thomas is a Hall of Fame player, 12-time All-Star, 2-time NBA champ, played his entire career with the Detroit Pistons. Coming in at number 12 is a 1983 Star Clyde Drexler rookie card number 100, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of only 91, with 307 being submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on May 27th for $655. Drexler was drafted in 1983, so this is technically his rookie card. However, it's from the Star set. Not many grading companies grading his cards anymore. Clyde Drexler is a Hall of Fame player. He's a 1995 NBA champion, 10-time All-Star, 5-time All-NBA. Played an impressive 16 years in the NBA on 2 different teams, Portland and Houston. Coming in at number 11 is a 1983 O-Pee-Chee Pelle Lindbergh rookie card number 268, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 61, with 615 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on July 25th for $710. Pelle Lindbergh was an all-star goaltender playing on the Philadelphia Flyers. During the prime of his career, he tragically died in a car accident 5 months after taking his team to the Stanley Cup Finals in 1985. He was a beloved goalie and to this day is remembered on November 10th. Coming in at number 10 is a 1983 Topps Joe Montana number 169, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 64, with 2,954 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on July 8th for $770. This is Joe Montana's 3rd year card. He holds one of the highest spots for a non-rookie football card from the 1983 set. Coming in at number 9 is a 1983 Topps Marcus Allen rookie card number 294, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 163, with 5,624 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 23rd for $875. Marcus Allen is a Hall of Fame running back, playing 16 years in the NFL on 2 different teams. He was a 6-time Pro Bowler, 2-time All-Pro, the 1985 MVP, 1-time Super Bowl champ. He was an elite rusher at the time and is currently number 6 for all-time NFL touchdown at 145, beating Marshall Faulk, Chris Carter, Marvin Harrison, Jim Brown, Walter Payton, and 3rd all-time rushing touchdowns at 123. Coming in at number 8 is a 1983 Topps Mike Singletary rookie card number 38, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 112, with 2,739 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 30th for $982. Mike Singletary is a Hall of Fame linebacker playing his entire 12-year career with the Chicago Bears. He was a 10-time Pro Bowler, 7-time All-Pro, and 1-time Super Bowl champ. Coming in at number 7 is a 1983 Star Dominique Wilkins rookie card number 263, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of 123, with 266 being submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 5th for $1,275. Dominique Wilkins was drafted in 1982. This is technically his rookie card from the 1983 Star set. He was a Hall of Fame player, 9-time All-Star, 7-time All-NBA. However, he never won a ring. Coming in at number 6 is a 1983 Frisch's Kirby Puckett minor league rookie card number 6, 2006, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 51, with 219 of these being submitted to PSA so far, sold at auction on July 16th for $1,877. These minor league sets were printed by Larry Frisch's Cards. You can find complete sets on their website. Currently, he has a 25 card set listed for $300. I'm not sure what the print run is or what the rarity are on these. However, according to the PSA Pop Report and even eBay listings, they're tough to find. You can also find a Jose Canseco minor league card as well. Coming in at number 5 is a 1983 O-Pee-Chee Wayne Gretzky number 29, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 109, with 1,617 being submitted to PSA so far, sold at auction on July 26th for $2,226. This is 1983. I believe it's Gretzky's 5th year card. However, it's from the O-Pee-Chee set. Tough to grade, tough to find. He has numerous cards in this set. Number 22 and 29 are from the base set. Number 203 is the Hart Trophy. 204 is the Ross Trophy. And 212 is the Record Breaker. Coming in at number 4 is a 1983 Topps Wade Boggs rookie card number 498, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 363, with 13,941 being submitted to PSA so far, sold at auction on July 16th for $2,772. Wade Boggs is a Hall of Fame third baseman playing 18 years in the MLB on 3 different teams, Boston, New York, and Tampa Bay. He was a 12-time All-Star, a 2-time Golden Glove, 8-time Silver Slugger, won the World Series in 1996, playing with the Yankees, and claimed the batting title for an impressive 5 years. Coming in at number 3 is a 1983 Topps Tony Gwynn rookie card number 482, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 681, with 24,248 being submitted to PSA so far, sold at auction on July 16th for $3,150. Tony Gwynn was a legendary San Diego Padres lifer, playing 20 years with them. He's a 15-time All-Star, 5-time Gold Glove, had the batting title 8 years, and was a 7-time Silver Slugger. Legendary player, inducted in the Hall of Fame in 2007, and unfortunately passed away on June 16, 2014, 7 years after induction. Coming in at number 2 is a 1983 Star All-Star set Larry Bird number 2, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of only 1, with only 40 of these being submitted to Beckett, sold at auction on July 19th for $3,333. This population number is so low because I think Beckett no longer grades the star cards. However, I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any insight. These All-Star star cards were released as complete sets, so they're separate from the Larry Bird Celtic set. All the players from the 1983 All-Star game were in this set. You can find complete sets on eBay or Etsy or probably even Facebook Marketplace. But guys, like I said, be careful of the counterfeits. Make sure to do your own research before making any big purchases. Coming in at number 1 is a 1983 Topps Ryne Sandberg rookie card number 83, graded BGS 10, pristine condition, current population of only 17, with 3,531 being submitted to Beckett so far, sold at auction on May 30th for $3,800. So Ryne Sandberg, he's a legendary Chicago Cubs player, playing 15 of the 16 years in the MLB with the Chicago Cubs. The reason this price was so high and this card got number 1 on the list, simply because the BGS 10 pristine case, coupled with Ryne Sandberg's legacy with Chicago and his Hall of Fame status. So that's it, guys. The top 15 highest selling recently sold sports cards from 1983. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and stay posted for more content. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.